Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Long time no talk. My hair is pretty much almost all the way faded, but in like the next few videos I will have like bright purple hair. Not uploading in the order that I film things, and I haven't uploaded in like over a month, but school, yeah. But today I'm showing you guys what I got in my August Ipsy bag. I created this look right here, and let's say there were some hits, but mainly misses. So, but the theme for August was good vibes only, but I do like how the entire look turned out. But I could get this easily with all the other products that I already but it's an awesome look nonetheless. But I will have all products listed down below. Other than that, let's go ahead and jump into the video. It's been a while since I've filmed, and I'm pretty sure this is my first time talking today. And it is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm currently breaking out horribly, and I have been breaking out like this since like the end of May. Going to the dermatologist on Friday, a week from today. So hopefully I can get this all situated. But we're first going to go on in with the first product, which is an eye cream. This is the Air Repair Super Hydrating Eye Cream. This would probably work best at night, but I'm just going to try it today. I have not used an eye cream in a while, and I have been sick the past week, and I've barely gotten any sleep, so under my eyes are a little purple. A little bit of this goes a pretty long way. I'm gonna go ahead and do my face primers before we go into foundation. Now the next product is a BB cream. This is the Yada, I don't know how to pronounce it, the Silky Fit Concealer BB Power Brightening, and it has the SPF of 34, but it says that it's whitening, anti-wrinkle, and sunscreen. I believe this is light beige. That is the color. Putting a little bit on the back of my hand, and I'm using a beauty blender to press it into my skin. And I just barely washed my beauty blenders this morning. I don't know which video it was that I said that of the e.l.f. like flawless finish foundation smells like baby. This smells like the baby lotion. It's not super full coverage. It says for a sheer wash of color, and you can use this as a primer before applying your favorite foundation. This is a pretty good match. It definitely did not cover over here, so it is a sheer wash of color. This does have SPF in it, so I think this would be an awesome like summertime foundation where you're probably just going to like the beach or something and you just want to throw something on. This would be a great product, and it doesn't make your skin look cakey. It's just evening everything out. But now I'm just applying concealer. So I have started my eyeshadow, and the foundation is still a little tacky, so it is something you want to set down, and I can still smell the scent. So if you are sensitive to scents, I don't think this would be the product for you. But the next product is this brush, and it is, I believe, an Ipsy and SL Miss Glam like collaboration. And this is the T35 Precise Blending Brush. And I am going to use this with the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette. And I'm dipping into the shade Mocha on this brush just to add like a light wash of a deeper color in the crease. and this is more of a denser crease brush, so I wouldn't say that it would be the best for blending, but it is laying this shadow down quite nicely. And I believe if I had another one, it actually would be good. It is a precise blending brush, I would say. The next product is an eyeshadow, and this is the Balm Voyage Volume 2. It's from this palette, and I'm not sure how to pronounce this, but it's just like a champagne type of color. Let me see if it describes the color on the Ipsy app. It's a pale peachy powder, and I'm just gonna apply it with the Ulta small eyeshadow brush. That's pretty. That is really pretty. I like that. I'm also going to take this like flat detailed definer brush and that same whatever it is and apply it to the brow bone. I'm just going to use my beauty blender to apply the powder, and for that we have our last and final product. This is the Naked Cosmetics HD finishing powder, and this is how I've been applying powders. I just take a little bit of the beauty blender and I do not bake. I just press the powder into my skin to set. And this powder is super finely milled. I can't even feel it on my skin, but I think it's leaving a little bit of a white cast. This is like clinging to the BB cream because it is such a sticky BB cream. It's not wanting to blend out. I don't know if it's this powder or the BB cream or what. It's leaving me with a little bit of a white cast. I'm gonna take a flash picture. I just look powdery. I'll insert this picture right here, but I just look powdery and there is a white cast. Do we see this? I am just a flashback city right now. We're gonna bronze this up, finish the makeup, and then I'll give you my final thoughts on everything. Okay, so I have fixed my hair, and let's take one final flash photography picture just to see if like bronzer and stuff helped. Adding bronzer definitely did help. I'm not super impressed with August Ipsy Bag, so let's do a little recap. I'll start with the things that I just didn't really care about. These two. This like in like real life, not in flash photography. Even in flash photography, you get a flashback with this powder, so I don't really recommend this. And this, unless you're like in the summer going, just wanting to throw something on really fast and you aren't super sensitive to smells and you can find a product like a powder to set it that won't give you flashback, then I would say yes. Other than that, it's just not my favorite. This is like a so-so. Let me see how much this is, like for a full size. Airy Pear is the skincare brand. If it's like more than $15, I would say no. It's $23. Don't really see, like off of first impressions, I don't really see it being worth that much. But maybe the longer I use it, if I use it like every night and stuff, maybe I'll see like a difference. But I'm like always smiling, and so when I smile, I like get like the creases under my eyes. The two standout products was this brush. This is again the SL Miss Glam T35 Precise Blending Brush in collaboration with Ipsy. I do really like this, and so far the brushes that I've gotten I've liked. If I don't have a use for them, I've liked the brand, And I mean, like, this is a so product, but it's still an amazing shadow. Like, it is beautiful. And this is just one shade from the Balm's The Voyage palette volume 2. I've loved everything that I've tried from the Balm so far. I've only tried their eyeshadows and their illuminizer, which is my favorite thing in the entire world. That's what I have to say about the August Ipsy bag. This is super late, I know, but I haven't had time to film, edit, have any downtime. Like yesterday, I didn't feel good enough to go to school, so I stayed home, and that was my first time like doing absolutely nothing. Like absolutely nothing. Where I finished season 1 of Friends, I'm just really starting it. And so, I lit thick on tea. School this year is really kicking my butt. This is everything that I have to get done by Monday. But that's my August Ipsy. Again, I'm sorry it's so late. But yeah, if you guys like this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel or give it a thumbs up, or both. If you guys have any video requests, you can leave them in the comments down below, or at me on my social media, which is all under Sassy Maddie YT, same as spelled terrible, Twitter and Instagram. Let me know something you got in your August Ipsy bag, even though we're way past August, and let me know what your standout product was, or if you got any of the same products I got, what were your thoughts on them? Anyways, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.